Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for January 9th. We are looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair. This pair closed down, did retrace that gap, but closed down for the session. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 77.27, possibly as low as 76.50. Look for some resistance around 77.00 and look for some support around 76.65. Now looking at the Euro-USD pair, this pair gapped down, closed that gap, closed higher. We are looking for it overall to be moving to the downside. However, possibly going as high as 128.95, possibly as low as 125.74. Look for some resistance to come into the market around 128.15 and look for some support around 126.65. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair created an inside bar during this last session. It did close higher. We are looking for it to potentially go up and hit some resistance around 154.75, possibly hitting support around 153.92. Now the US Swiss, this pair gapped up at the open, did retrace that gap already. Looks heading to the downside, at least for now. Did break the previous session's low already. We are looking for it, however, to potentially go as high as 0.9666, possibly as low as 0.9385. Look for some resistance around 0.9595 and look for some support around 0.9467. Well, there are no news announcements going into this next session. However, I am looking for the U.S.-Japanese yen pair. Did create a swing trade opportunity over the past 3 sessions. We have a higher high than the bar before it and after it, and a higher low than the bar before it and after it. Typically, we would draw a trend line here. This trend line cuts right at the open, and we have a low here that's definitely in line with it as well. If we place our line there and come up to our other two, you can see here it cuts right at the open of today's session. Basically, I'm looking for this open to be taken out. Right now it's at 77.86 or 76.86. There we go. So looking to short around the 84 area. So looking to sell 76.84. It's about 2 pips right about here, and then looking for it to drop down at least down to this area, down to the 76.66 area, about an 18 pip move. Well, hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.